Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal radiyallahu anhu states, in the year of the battle of Tabuk, we went along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would combine the prayers. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform the Zuhr and Asr prayers together and the Maghrib and the Isha prayers together, until one day he sallallahu alaihi wasallam delayed performing the prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out and performed the Zuhr prayer and the Asr prayers together. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then went in, then came out and performed the Maghrib and the Isha prayers at a stretch. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, tomorrow if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed, you will reach the spring of Tabuk, and you will not reach there before dawn. Whoever of you reaches the spring should not touch its water before my arrival. 2 men of us reached that spring before us. The water level in the spring was like a shoelace and was flowing slowly. The reporter says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked them, have you touched the water? They submitted, yes. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam scolded them and said to them, what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed. The people kept taking the water from the spring with their hands in a small quantity and gathered it in a vessel. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then washed his hands and face in that vessel and then put that water in the spring. That spring started flowing with abundant water until the people served the water to their companions and watered their animals. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Muad, if you lived long, soon you would see this water irrigating the gardens. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5906.